Now we will wait till another train will come. Train, you are in front of the train.
This is a train which will travel to the city and come back.
Yeah. And now another train will come, because in this special station, there's 1 minute difference between 2 trains.
Yeah.
Bob is eating more kalbas. So
Show it to the audience.
kalbas. He made
Kalbas
our lunch
and
box.
Pickles. Oh, pickles are finished?
Pickles
Yeah, well, pickles are finishing.
Now it's
Cabbage left.
So cabbage is pickles.
I know, but just cabbage.
There is some.
Yeah, but I want to eat the rest.
Not so much, but don't worry.
Don't worry, you were worried that it will stay.
I was worried actually. It's good you're finishing.